aware of his existence, potential and potency. So ये बाबा साहब भीमराव अम्बेडकर ने कहा था. उन्होंने कहा था cultivation of mind should be the ultimate aim of human existence. और हम वो cultivate कैसे करें? How we will cultivate our mind? It is through education. Education is the cornerstone of progress and empowerment. If we see a lock, how do we? If we open it from a key. So the key to unlock individual potential and shape a just and equitable society, it is possible only through education. Education, particularly important for marginalized communities, historically faced barrier communities, and we should provide quality access of education to everyone. Ambedkar recognized that the transformative power of education, and championed the role for eradicating the caste discrimination and uplifting the downtrodden. Ambedkar believed that women education is important, and he stressed that the best way for the empowerment is education for women also. Education, he said, is the most potent weapon against social injustice and inequality. He also envisioned an inclusive education system. He said that equal access to quality learning for all, regardless of their caste, gender or socio-economic background. Acquiring education is not merely the scope of education. It is also fostering critical thinking, developing self-confidence, instilling a sense of social responsibility. So all these things we should also have instead of just acquiring education. That what completes ourselves. And he said, those who don't study history cannot make history. So you should study history. We should know about the discrimination which is faced with the Dalit community. As we can say, today, according to the 2011 census, 2.7% of Dalits have completed their post-graduation. Compared to general, 5.9% of generals have done the post-graduation. If we see the literacy rate among Dalit, it is 66.1%. And if it compared it to general, 74%. So there is a lot of scope to improve the scope of education there. So we should support the view of education for disadvantaged, marginalized and Dalit community. And how we can do it? What are the strategies for promoting inclusive education? Dr. Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ambedkar said there are 5 strategies. Addressing socio-economic barriers. There are some people of Dalit community who cannot have stable economic situation. How they will fund their education? So we need to give them scholarship. We need to give them financial support so that they can continue their education. As we can see, the Dalit community is the most marginalized community of our country. So addressing the socio-economic barriers, the steps by the government, the steps taken by the corporate by CSR can help in that. Promoting quality educational in rural areas. We can see most of the Dalits are concentrated mostly in the rural area. So we should provide quality education in rural area. We should address a language barrier. We should promote a pedagogy which is inclusive, not exclusive. We should not only focus on the intelligent or any person like that. We should focus on everyone. We should understand that last bench should understand. That type of education we should promote. We should also address the culture sensitivity. So these are the ways by which we can promote inclusive education. So by conclusion, I would like to say we should embrace the legacy of Ambedkar, who said education is the only means of social upliftment. He established educational institutions and specifically for Dalit and marginalized communities. If we see Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ambedkar University is after his name. So it is also doing the same. So be educated, be organized and be educated. Thank you.